Disconnecting a car battery terminal to reset a vehicle is a trick that intrigues many drivers. But what is the reality behind it? Can some problems really be solved simply by cutting off the car's power supply? Today, let's demystify this practice and understand how it works, its benefits, as well as the associated risks. Let's start with the basics. Why disconnect a battery? There are several reasons. This might be necessary during certain maintenance operations to prevent short circuits or when your vehicle's electrical system encounters malfunctions. Sometimes, disconnecting the battery is also a solution used before storing the car for a long period to prevent complete discharge. However, before attempting this, it's essential to proceed correctly to avoid unnecessary damage. How to proceed? 1. Ensure the engine is off. The vehicle is parked on a flat surface and the handbrake is engaged. 2. Wear gloves and protective goggles to prevent accidents. 3. Identify the battery terminals. The positive terminal, usually red, and the negative terminal, often black. 4. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal to avoid short circuits, then disconnect the positive terminal. 5. When reconnecting, follow the reverse order. First the positive terminal, then the negative terminal. This procedure is crucial to protect your vehicle's electronic components. What effects can you expect from this process? Disconnecting a battery cuts off the power supply to all the car's electronic systems. This may reset certain modules, such as the onboard computer, entertainment systems, and even some driving parameters. For this reason, some people use this method to try to resolve minor electronic issues. However, it is important to note that this trick is not a miracle solution. Modern vehicles incorporate complex electronic systems that sometimes require specific diagnostic tools for a complete reset. In some cases, disconnecting the battery can even complicate the diagnosis by erasing stored error codes, making it harder to identify problems. What are the risks of disconnecting a battery? This practice is not without risks. You might lose your radio presets, clock settings, or other personalized parameters. Some systems, like the immobilizer, might require reprogramming after a power cut, leading to additional costs and inconveniences. Moreover, if your vehicle is equipped with advanced safety systems, disconnecting the battery might temporarily disable them, which is not always desirable. Despite these drawbacks, disconnecting the battery can be effective in specific cases, such as turning off dashboard warning lights that appear without reason, or unlocking an unresponsive audio system. However, it's essential not to make it a habit or a systematic troubleshooting method. Use this technique wisely, and only when you're certain it won't worsen the situation. In conclusion, disconnecting a battery terminal can be a useful trick to reset your vehicle and solve minor issues. However, this method carries risks and should not be considered a universal solution. For more complex or persistent problems, it's always recommended to consult a professional equipped with the necessary tools for a safe reset. If this video has helped shed light on the subject, feel free to share it and subscribe to GB Automobile 237 to ensure you don't miss upcoming tips and automotive advice. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon for more informative and practical videos.